Hi guys, it's Katya from Fit in Mobility, and in this video I will show you 3 positions. You can test it out if you have lower back pain, and these positions can give you a significant amount of relief, so stay tuned. First relieving position is gonna be laying on our stomach. It's plain and simple. Don't try to bend your spine too much. So we're gonna do like this. Come on your knee and try to lay on your stomach and just relax yourself, relax your lower spine. Breathe in, breathe out. If after 20-30 seconds this doesn't cause you additional pain, then you can stay like this for another 3-4 minutes. Sink your lower spine into the ground. And this is the first relieving position for our lower back. So if the first option doesn't suit you well, try to find a chair and you can mobilize your spine just like this. Come in and come out, chest out. Do this move a few times. And this is just a relieving position for our lower back sitting down. I suggest that if you need to sit for a long time, you always have to have some support for your back. You always try to find a natural curve for your lower spine. So there are a lot of cushions and lumbar pillows on the market. Buy yourself one to release your lower spine even more when you're sitting down. What about standing up? If you're standing and touching your muscle here, your back extensors, how does this feel? Please do one test with me. Put your hand on your muscles on your back here and bend a little bit in front. How do you feel? Does your muscle contract? And when I lean a little bit back, they are relaxed. So try to test this move out. So I guess we figure it out when our body is a little bit more in extension or lean back, the muscles are more relaxed. So this is the pose you need to adapt while you're standing in a long lines or just standing, waiting for something. I like to also combine with my arms. Do like this, put your arms behind your back, and you will feel your back muscles are relaxed. So this is the pose that is very convenient when you need to stand a long time. Try these 3 moves, try these 3 positions. Maybe they will give you some relief. Write me how you're doing. Give me a comment, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.